Well, here we are back at the rescue house, and we are now getting this garage prepared to add more beams to support the horribly framed mess that was left by the last contractor. So this is what it's taking for us to do this. Because we're putting 2 beams in, we have to put support walls on each side of each beam and upstairs. We'll go up there in a minute. So they've already got our first beam in right here. It's a double LVL, 14-inch LVL, spanning all the way across to here, the opposite wall. Lots of braces up under to hold it up. These are all obviously temporary walls. The guys are upstairs and they're trying to establish exactly where they've got to work to put their walls in upstairs. So we're working on that right now. So this is what it takes when you screw up as bad as these people did. We're having to essentially rebuild this entire room by starting over, deconstruct it and reconstruct it. That's what we're doing. This is the second time I've had to do this in this house. The first time was the media room, and I'll show you what it looks like right now. We came into the media room and had a similar problem, and we actually gutted it and started over. So this is the result of the media room right here. So we have the pop-up ceiling. It's hard to see because it's all black, which is the whole point of the black. But it came out really good. But this is a series of beams that we put in, similar to what we're doing in the garage, but just for a different reason. So let's go up here and see what's going on upstairs. Wow. What's up?
2x6 wall.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is it?
What is the assumption that it was a 2x4.
Yeah.
But it's 2x6.
Yeah. Don't make any assumptions around here, brother. So this is a temporary wall that we've put up to support the roof load that's sitting on the outside of this wall right here, which is the wall that's unsupported downstairs. So we're having to put up this temporary wall to support the roof. We have a wall directly underneath it in the garage. So we've transferred all that load to these 2 walls temporarily while we take all the support out from underneath this wall here, where my hand is, from underneath, to put the beam in underneath to support it. It's an engineering feat. This is what happens when you, unfortunately, when you hire somebody and for whatever reason, either somebody wasn't careful or they didn't care or they didn't know. I'm not sure what it was, but we keep running into this problem on this house. It seems as though